Hello friends, I am Syed Irfan and you are watching LifeWorks YouTube channel. Friends, today's video is about remote control. In this trick, I will show you how to check remote control. So let's move on to the video. Most people don't know this trick. So friends, if your remote control is not working, first check its cells, because if the remote control falls repeatedly, its cells discharges or break from inside. After that, you have to open the camera of your mobile. Now with the help of this camera, we can see the infrared signal of the remote control, which we cannot see with the help of normal eye. Now when I press the buttons of the remote control, you can see the infrared light blinking in the camera of the mobile. So friends, this way you can check working of the remote control buttons, and this way you can check any remote control. I hope you guys like this video. Like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe LifeWorks YouTube channel. Inshallah, see you next time with the next informative video. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.